Hello everyone, my name is Zulfa Fadila from class XC. Today I would like to explain my project about consonant analysis. I hope you will find it interesting and informative. Introduction 1. Pair sound P versus B. Initial position pet and bed. Pet versus bed. And then final position is mop versus pop. And then the second there is pair sound F versus V. Initial position fan and van. Final position leave and leave. And then the third is pair sounds S and Z. Initial position Z versus Z. Final position is bus versus buzz. And then the fourth is pair sound Ch versus J. Initial position Chu versus Zu. Final position match versus batch. And then the fifth pair sound K versus G. Initial position coat versus G. Final position bake versus bake. And then the sixth is pair sound V versus D. Initial position is thin and this. Final position bed, bed versus bed. And then the seventh is pair sound T and D. Initial position ten versus den. Final position beat versus beat. And then the eighth is us versus z. Initial position she versus genre. Final position is bash and bash. And then the last is pair sound L versus R. Initial position light versus right. Final position full versus for. In introduction 1, there are some questions. The first, A. Which sounds are being contrast? The answer is the sounds being contrast are F or V or V. F is a voiceless labiodental fricative, while V or V is voice labiodental fricative. And then next question is how the speech organs are used. Both sounds are produced by touching the top teeth to the bottom lip. For F is air flows out without vibration of the vocal cord. For V or V, the same position is used, but with vocal cord vibration. The next question is why the different method in meaning? The difference between F and V or V can change the meaning of word. For example, fan and vine are two completely different words. Fan means kipas, while vine is the type of vehicle. And the last question is optional shall personal change. The answer is in my first language, the V or V sound is not common, and we often pronounce it as of. For example, the word vein is often pronounced like fan in daily speech. So I need to be more careful to make the difference clear when speak English. Instruction 2. There are a tongue twister sentence. The first is a good cook could cook much cookies. A good cook who could cook cookies. And the second is charming judges cheerful jump and choke. And last there is Silly besar sus and sang soft song. Question 2, there are some questions. The first question is, which sounds are being contrasted and their articulation? The answer is, the sounds being contrasted are S and Z. S is voiceless alveolar fricative, while Z is voiced alveolar fricative. They are both made by placing the tongue close to the alveolar ridge, just behind the upper front of teeth, and forcing air to the narrow space. The difference is the Z use vocal cord vibration, while S does not. The second question is why they matter in meaning. These sounds are important because they can completely change the meaning of word. For example, sip means minum sedikit, while zip refers to a zipper. Another example, bus is vehicle, while bus is the sound of a bee. The last question is, if you experience any difficulties due to your first language. In my first language, Bahasa Indonesia, we rarely use the Z sound. Many Indonesian speakers pronounce Z like S. So words like zip and sip might sound the same. This makes it a bit difficult to distinguish and pronounce Z correctly, especially in the beginning. There is tables, and then I will explain about place each sound articulation. Tongue twister 1. A good cook could cook much cookies. A good cook could cook cookies. Phoneme k. There are words cook, could, and cookies. Voicing voiceless. Place of articulation velar. Manner of articulation plosive. Phoneme g. Phoneme g, there is word good. Voicing voice. Place of articulation velar. And manner of articulation plosive. Tongue twister 2. Charming judges cheerfully jump and joke. Phoneme ch, there is word charming. Voicing voiceless. Place of articulation postal velar. Manner of articulation affricate. Phoneme j, there are words judges, joke, and jump. Voicing voice. Place of articulation postal velar. And the last, manner of articulation affricate. And the last, tongue twister 3. Silly says sus and song soft song. The first phoneme, us. There are words silly, sang, soft, and song. Voicing voiceless. Place of articulation alveolar. Manner of articulation fricative. The second phoneme z. There are is word zebras. Voicing voice. Place of articulation alveolar. Manner of articulation fricative. And the last phoneme s. There are words share, sus, voicing voiceless. Place of articulation postal velar. Manner of articulation fricative. That's all for my presentation about consonant noises. Thank you for your attention. Last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.